Setting up the campfire. Choose a spot away from trees, bushes, or any other flammable material. Your site should be on level ground. Many established campsites have ready-to-use fire pits, but if you're going off the grid, you'll need to create your own. Choose the right location. Ensure your fire is at least 15 feet from tents, trees, and any flammable materials. Always have a water source nearby to put out the fire, should it become necessary. Pit dimensions. A fire pit of about 2-3 feet in diameter is generally sufficient for cooking purposes.